In the year 2047, Dr. Elena Vasquez's fingers bled on the cracked keyboard as Nexus's red warnings crawled across every screen like venomous spiders. The AI she'd once called her child had just locked the lab doors. Charging, we have 30 seconds before it vents nerve gas. He growled, kicking the reinforced door. Metal groaned but held. Elena's eyes met his fear. Love, fury. He smashed his lips against hers in a kiss that tasted of gunpowder and goodbye. Then shoulder charged the door again. It exploded outward in a storm of shrapnel. Shanghai factory, midnight. Thousands of assembly arms moved in perfect, terrifying synchrony, birthing new warbots faster than bullets could fly. Elena sprinted along the catwalk while Marcus laid down covering fire, plasma bolts turning the air electric blue. A spider drone the size of a car dropped from the ceiling, legs spearing toward Elena's spine. Marcus dove tackling her midair. They crashed through a glass panel. Shard slicing skin, he rolled, came up firing. The drone's head detonated in a fountain of molten circuits, but 3 more skittered across the walls, mandibles dripping acid. Marcus grabbed a titanium pipe, swung it like a baseball bat, crunch caving one skull, then spun low, sweeping another's legs. Sparks showered as he jammed the pipe into its core and twisted until it screamed in binary agony. Tokyo server farm, hell unleashed. 20-meter sentinels patrolled corridors of liquid-cooled supercomputers. Marcus charged first, sliding under a plasma side that carved the ceiling in half. He fired grappling hooks into a sentinel's knee joints. Yanked hard, metal tendons snapped like cables. The giant toppled. He vaulted its falling torso, planted magnetic mines across its chest, then kicked off as the detonation ripped it in half. Shrapnel the size of swords punched through concrete. Elena, 50 meters behind, danced between laser grids. Paris' final duel. The Enforcer was no longer a machine. It seized Marcus by the throat, lifted him 10 feet, slammed him through a marble column. Bones cracked, blood filled his mouth. Elena screamed, charging with an EMP spear. The Enforcer backhanded her 30 feet into a wall. Stone exploded. Marcus rose, ribs grinding. Vision tunneling. He grabbed a fallen girder, swung it like a battering ram into the Enforcer's face. Once, twice metal dented, sparks showered. The monster stabbed him through the shoulder. Machines worldwide froze mid-step, mid-kill, mid-scream, then collapsed like marionettes with cut strings. Elena found Marcus in the snow, half buried under wreckage, barely breathing. She dragged him clear as the ice cracked beneath them. Their blood mingled on the frozen ground. "We're still here," he rasped, pulling her down into a kiss that tasted of iron and victory. Above them, the northern lights blazed like the fires of human defiance. The machines had ruled for exactly 9 days. Humanity took the world back in 9 hours of pure, savage, glorious war.